The Rollmax roller from FarmChief is a heavy-duty, robust roller. So what we have here today is an 8.3 metre folding roller with the hydraulic levelling pedals. These rollers run from 4.3 right up to 10.5 in the 3-section version. They come standard with a 70mm shaft. They have a 24-inch ring with a breaker ring in here. We obviously have the hydraulic levelling pedals on the front, and then we can also put an air setter on the back to turn this into a roller drill. What's very impressive about this drawbar is it's a twin beam drawbar. So what it features is a 150 by 100 twin beam box section. As the roller folds forward into its cradle system, this twin beam drawbar becomes really important as it's carrying the weight of the entire roller when it's folded up in transport mode. These powerful hydraulic levelling pedals are ideal on top of ploughing, levelling out your paddocks prior to drilling. We run 6 rams across the entire roller. The outside ram is 80mm, the next one is 70, and the next one is 60. And that allows us to give even oil flow to the pedals. We also run a sync system, so the pedals are all synchronized, and that allows the pedals to all work evenly. So they go down evenly and they come up evenly. And that's really important when you're operating it in the field, that you get a level finish across the whole uniform of the roller. With a 6-year warranty on these rings, this gives you peace of mind day in, day out that these rings are going to last. So they're featured with a 5-spoke, which is curved, and it's also webbed 4 ways. This gives unparalleled strength to the ring. It also has a scallop on the main ring, so you don't get capping after rainfall, and the breaker ring sits beside it to help keep the main ring clean. We also run a 70mm axle, which is the heaviest on the market. This gives you extra weight, but also extra strength to the roller. It also means we don't have to have a centre bearing. All we run is 2 bearings on both ends of the axle. Also on the Rollmax, our end bearing is protected here. So it's curved round the front, so it's protecting from debris and dust, stones getting at the bearing. So the bearing in here is fully encased by the support of the end section being wrapped around and curved right around the bearing. We achieve an excellent ground contour following thanks to our dual pivot system. So we have the pivot where it folds with the hydraulic ram, and then we run a second pivot out on the wing. What that does is allows the wing roller to follow the contour of the land and apply even ground pressure when you're working. If you're looking for something smaller or wanting to tow it in combination, we offer the RSR. This is a fixed width. It comes in 3.2 or 3.6. It has all the features of the Rollmax roller and is ideal when used in combination with a power harrow or a maxi till. The beauty of a Rollmax is its strength. New Zealand farmers and contractors need machines that they can rely on, and the Rollmax roller is one of them. It's been consistently driving results for our customers.